Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Boldfit foam roller. So let's get started. This one is 33 centimeter high density foam roller, MRP 1299, but I got it from Amazon for rupees 549. So this is designed for muscle recovery, deep tissue massage and stretching, making it perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. So size of 33 centimeter, it's perfect for all target areas like your arms, leg, back and feet, and weight wise it is 800 gram. It's lightweight, easy to carry around, and it's firm, not too hard, providing just the right amount of pressure for the deep tissue massages. And it's durable, maintain its shape back even after repeated use. So this works wonder for a muscle recovery, your deep tissue massage, because the firmness is perfect for the target deep muscles without being too uncomfortable, and it maintains its shape really well. So overall it's affordable, firm and durable, portable. The only problem I would say is firmness. If you prefer a softer roller, this might feel too firm for you, but since it has this bumps and ridges, if you want a softer one, you go for smooth roller. So overall, it's great for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, anyone dealing with the back pain, sore leg or tight muscles. And you can add this one to your warming up and cool down routine. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.